We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. We have arrived to Canada. Stop number 1.
Stop numero uno.
Number of drinks? 0.
You're holding up 3. 0.
Okay. Number of drinks? 0.
Cider float? Because it gets a little messy sometimes.
Canada drink 1.
Canada complete. Out of 10, what would you give it? We got a...
I don't like these ratings. I'm terrible at them. I want to give everybody a good score.
We got a cider flight. Amanda and Ross got a cider flight and a beer flight. Our cider flight, 2 out of 3 were good. We didn't like the one.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it a solid 7, maybe?
Sure.
Think it's good?
He just makes up numbers. It's all arbitrary.
It's true. My rating scale is all over the place.
Pop-up shop.
Pop-up shop number 1, Ireland. My home country. Thank you very much.
Wow, you took...
James, you want me to
It's very honey wine.
Is it?
Like, gotta let the tannins, Brian.
It's not bad. It just wasn't what I was expecting.
That's mead. It's mead.
I don't know. 5, 6.
5.
Somewhere in there.
5, 6.
I'd give it a 7.
What about the beer? The beer is a nitro.
Solid 8.5.
Yeah. I agree with that. The beer is far superior to the mead. Solid 8. It's good. So that was Ireland. Pop up. UK is right next to us. Going to the pub. What? So we're leaving.
We're leaving.
We're leaving the UK. Beer Insider. Ross, how would you rate your beer?
What beer?
What beer? It's only country 2. It can't be. You can't be what beer on country 2.
Don't you tell me how to feel. I thought that was thunder. No, I love that beer. Smittix is hard to find.
Mm-hmm.
So that with Guinness.
Solid 10.
Yes.
Solid 10. Amanda. Solid 10.
Yeah, that was my favorite.
Definitely a 10. I love that drink.
Comes down to me. Give it a solid 10 all around. UK. Solid 10.
I feel like we're not critical enough.
It's UK. You're wrong.
I do love that drink.
Got the peach wine.
So good. Sparkling peach. It's very good.
Has a buttery aftertaste, which is weird.
Weird, but it does. I'll tell you nearly as many things.
There's a rum drink. Rum drink.
Getting the Moroccan mule again.
Got it last time.
Delicious.
Before Brian was bald, but it was good.
Thank you very much.
So good.
As
Just
good as I
last
remember.
time.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, very good.
You would really like this place a lot.
Japan. Tokyo sunset.
We
Beats.
thought it was called the sunrise. It's the sunset, but Tokyo sunset. Delicious.
Beats every other drink out here.
So far, yeah.
12 out of
Possibly
10.
forever. Ooh, you're on 12?
I'm going 12.
9 because I still like UK better. But these drinks are really good. That sushi was really good.
Yeah, I'd give it a 9.
9. Top selling drink in Epcot. Moonshine sour.
It is very delightful.
There's no strawberries.
I asked for one. I thought I grabbed one.
We might get 2 of these. Definitely up there.
That works. Thank you very much. So we're here in Italy. Double fisting and one fisting. Couldn't decide, so we got all three.
Yes.
We're about to get most amazing pizza ever. The drinks are good.
Very good.
We have a
Bellini.
Bellini that's peach. Oh, cups do it this way. A Bellini that's peach.
A limoncello and an orange cello.
No. There you are. Thank you very much, sir. You enjoy. The Baron Jaeger. Whiskey with a frozen Coca-Cola slushy. It's delicious.
Scale of 1 to 10. Go. You put all of us on the spot. It's time to put you on the spot.
Gosh. I don't like being on the spot. I understand now.
Oh, taste your own medicine.
I mean, it's whiskey, so I'm always going to put it high. I'm going to solid 9.
Solid 9.
Solid 9.
Alright, that's fair.
Mix it up a little bit. Good to go. Thank you very much. Have a good one. India, we have a Taj Mahal lager. 5. It's alright. Just 5. So Megan, we rate China what out of 10?
Negative 100.
Negative 100 out of 10 we rate China. That's bad.
We were able to get last time. We're not very good, so we're gonna skip because they were still expensive.
Not very good. We had like 2 sips maybe. Wasn't good. So we're skipping China this time. And rating it negative 100 apparently.
Oh my word. The drinks.
Little harsh, but hey.
No, they were bad.
Got it. Ross, what are we drinking in Norway?
Einstock toasted porter.
And how is it?
Delicious.
Megan
Got my Mickey
is
bar.
okay with her Mickey
I'm
bar.
happy.
That's okay.
We found Remy in Japan after the park closed. To be fair, the fireworks just ended and the bathroom is right there. And I looked over and Remy's waving. How can we say no to waving Remy?